These single shot ones.
Alright, here we are setting up on July 3rd for the firework display put on by Jacob Jones. Here we go, we have the fireworks set up. He's wiring them currently. Up front looks like we have some fountains and some smoke. Off to the right we have some Roman candles, some more fountains, or those might be noisemakers. A series of Roman candles. There's some of those crackling balls lined up. Jacob, what do you have around you here?
I can't.
No, he's busy right now. I'll do my best. Right there, he's wiring everything up.
It's got to be absolutely
got a series
precise.
Of fountains and projectiles. Got to watch where I'm walking here. All these black wires. But let's just take a tour. Over here we have some spinners set up with some fuse for effects. Let's see if I can zoom out a little bit here more. But you see a series of, well, what do we have? 7 spinners on top, 3 down the middle. Nice display there. Let's just take a tour of the fireworks here. Probably can't see the black wires running on the ground, but had to watch where I'm stepping.
So if you want to just use a fast fuse and hook 4 of them together, then that's great. And then I need 8 bullets somewhere. And I need them to go off about 3 seconds apart from each other. I put them over there. There's MTVs here, there's empties there, there's, okay?
So just 8 somewhere?
8 bullets somewhere, and I need them to be about 5 to 10 seconds apart. From the beginning up to the end of that. I'll be back in just a second.
So you want them right after each other?
There, okay.
It is 9:30.
Okay, so how much fuse do I need then?
Half a foot, 6 inches.
We're talking
Okay, baby, there's a bit of a... Did you get that on video?
Getting it all. There's Jacob right there, hard at work.
This one I think connects over here, but I don't think you've connected it yet.
Okay, I haven't, so just keep it there.